Hi, my name is Jonathan Riley, and today I'll be giving a pest analysis for the sports industry. Taking a look at the political aspect, one thing has been the drug testing, which has been put on by the government in order to test for performance-enhancing drugs as well as illegal drugs to give a better representation of American sports and their athletes. Another political identity was the eligibility, which shows the draft eligibility, which was put on by the government in order to make sure that younger athletes do not jeopardize their future or health by enrolling in professional sports. Outsourcing has been another political standpoint where professional games are now being played overseas, and as well as governments working together. An example is the NFL goes to London and the NBA going to China. Looking at the economical features, we see recession such as unemployment and inflation tail on its part within the sports industry. Emmett Jones of Sports Business Digest states, "Sports are not a necessary expense. At some point, sports fans are going to have to choose between going to a football game and having the gas money for the week." Collective bargaining agreements also has shown its face within the sports industry, especially as of late, with contracts as well as free agency. We saw the NFL and the NBA go into a lockout, and we also saw potential MLB lockout, which has shown its face within not only the league, each respective league, but also in the sports industry as a whole. Relocation is another economical trait that has shown itself, where years past we saw the Charlotte Hornets go to New Orleans to give its opportunity for better financial growth. We also see that players in itself moving to bigger locations for bigger marketing standpoints as well as financial growth and potential championships. Looking at the social aspects, we see these Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube being used by athletes and as well as organizations as a whole in order to better their standpoints and relationship with fans and the media. And in media coverage, we see ESPN, Fox Sports, NBA TV, NFL Sunday Ticket, and MLB TV all being used to bring the fans closer to the game as well as the game closer to the fans by being available to watch their favorite teams within each industry. Fan engagement has taken a big step forward by fan voting, such as the NHL All-Star fan balloting, where fans are able to vote for their favorite All-Stars. Fan sweepstakes, where fans are able to win tickets to games, Super Bowls, and even World Series. And even video game social connections, where fans are now able to connect socially through video games, such as the PlayStations or Xbox, with not just with their favorite players and teams, but also with other fans as well. Looking at the technological traits, we see instant replay has taken its big stand within each industry. Longer games as well as more accurate calls have been made. This took a while to gain momentum within each league, given the technological advances, but it's now shown its face and has really been dominant within each league. We see that Drew Sharp of Detroit Press states, "Officiating hasn't gotten worse. Technology has gotten better. That's the problem." 3D TV is also a technological difference as of late, where better visual effects has helped out with visual aid as well as higher visual quality. Darren Rovell of CNBC stated, "ESPN says the enjoyment of watching 3D over HD is 5% better." Health and recovery is probably the most important of all the technological differences, where we have more advanced medical treatments, which means faster recoveries and injury preventions. Science Daily states a new computer-based system gives physical therapists real-time objective measures of the motion of each joint in the patient's body. The system uses magnetic trackers to read the positions of the electrodes placed in several points on the body and translates the information into an animation. Physical therapists can also use it to educate patients on how to avoid motions that can cause injuries in the first place. Thank you for taking the time to listen to the pest analysis of the sports industry. Have a great day.